First thing we need to understand is we need to understand the principles that we're going to apply to our beginners. Like already, progressive overload, this is the most important thing. And obviously reps, sets, volume, load, all that is a progression. But, tackling into motor control, we need to realize that these people haven't trained before. Their movement patterns are going to be a bit shit. They're not going to hinge properly. They might not squat properly. They might not know how to push and pull and all that stuff. So putting an emphasis on motor control and skill development is going to be at the forefront of everything you do, meaning that your reps are going to be different to your general hypertrophy rep range. Because when you're starting strength, there's this big increase. And no matter what you do as a beginner, you've probably seen it already, right? Like you've trained someone and they just get really strong really fast. And that's not because they're actually getting more muscle. It's not because they're doing anything special. It's literally because strength is a skill. You're learning movement patterns. And the faster you realize that as a coach, even for you being advanced, you've probably seen this with your calisthenics stuff. It's like you just can't go to failure every time. It's cooked. You're going to cook yourself.
Yeah.
You're not going to be able to do things properly. The quality goes down. Same thing as a beginner. If not, it's more important because you want to start to eliminate bad habits. So this means like I wouldn't be doing a 6 to 8 rep range at the beginner. You'd start to do 15, 20, 25. Like get that rep range high. And you can see this little depths I've got in the left-hand corner here. Your first phase should be about stabilization and endurance. It's going to be this massive focus on motor control, focusing on what the ankle's doing, what the hips doing, how they're rotating and all that stuff. And putting just fucking going ham on their technique. And you'll notice that strength will just happen probably better than you would if you went 6 to 8 because they're so new to movement patterns. Does that make sense?
Yeah.